Hi, so for my last video this month, I have incorporated the last two core technologies that I need to. I added the camera in the game, and that'll be displaying in the background, and I've also added multiplayer, as you can probably tell by the two instances of the game I have running here. Let's go ahead and give this a start. As you can see, the camera's already working. Have this other one over here, and they both can be servers, they both can be clients, but right now the one on the left will be the server and the one on the right will be the client, and they don't update unless you have them in focus, but the server should be on the bottom, as you can see. Oop, don't go off the platform. You can move both these around. I wanted to do a demo with my Android tablet and this, but I couldn't get a good way to show both on screen at the same time, and it would have been a little bit difficult. So, but you can tell both these are working, and I'll go over some code later, and that the camera is working in both instances. I'll go ahead and lose in both of these real quick so that you can see. There you go. Alright, lost in both of them. Go back to the main menu, and then we'll switch the host and client this time around. So the server was on this side last time. We'll do server on this side. That'll be the first one. Alright. So that time we have the top ball rolling off there. And they're in reverse. Okay, let's close these down and look at some code and the project itself. First, I'm going to go over the this display I have here, the webcam. I just have a mesh renderer attached to it and the device camera script. And if we take a look at that here, we'll have just the initialization here, and then setting it to the material, the texture itself, and then starting the camera recording, and then on destroy we just want to stop it. Let's go back to the project here. Actually, everything else we can do. Oh my God! Close that. Everything else we can do just here. So the network manager is what sets everything up for multiplayer. We have a few buttons here. This one just starts server, and start server here we are. We initialize the master server, and then we spawn a player once it has been initialized. If we are the client, we want to refresh the list while we have none, and then go ahead and display that one like we did on the screen. Once it's been found, we can go ahead and join server, and once we've successfully joined or connected to server, we can spawn another player, which will be the second player. Yes, and for the last, I took all the GPS things out of the Sphere script, and all it's left in here is multiplayer things, but basically have here is the core of it is that this check here, if network view is mine, if this sphere is the one the one created for me, then go ahead and add force, otherwise don't. I try to get this synced movement in from the tutorial, but I get a lot of weird glitches and it was spazzing out, so I didn't end up using that, although it looked like it updated a lot closer. There was a lot of weird behavior as well, so I did not end up using this, but this is most of what was needed anyway. Alright, thanks very much.